Hopdeals.com are authority equipment remarketing specialists and pleased to offer reference number 105, this 2012 DAF LF. This 14-ton truck has a Euro 5 engine, a Geesink Norba RL200 refuse truck body with Zoeller split bin lifts. It's come to us direct from the council. This very clean truck has only covered 158,000 kilometres. If you'd like further details on this, please contact Hop Deals on 01430 434 800, email us sales@hopdeals.com, or why not check out all the latest stock on our website hopdeals.com.